please. We have a very nice number today. The wagon is going to be very comfortable. You do not have to sit on your neighbor's lap unless you want to.
Ooh.
Well,
We don't begrudge anybody snuggling.
I'm going to sit on Tiz's lap.
Oh, Tiz, you're in luck today. Our driver here, his name is Dan. Everybody say hi, Dan.
Hi, Dan.
Hello, folks. And our horses' names up front are Paul and Pete.
Paul and Pete.
Paul and
What do you
Pete.
guys think?
Yeah! Get down onto the trail here. It's probably the most popular one for the entire 62 miles. Guys, that's the last set of tracks that they took out of the canyon. They did leave them here for a souvenir for us. I just imagine someday somebody might come down in, look at them, and wonder what the heck they are. It's probably going to happen. Now folks, with this being a very popular spot for people to come down onto the trail, DCNR, the folks that take care of the trail here, they did ask us to pick the pace up a little bit here. And the reason for that being, they did not want us to leave too many road apples on the trail. Everybody knows what a road apple is, don't they?
Yeah.
Always put the road apple. Horse food. Miles down the creek, we lost his life doing that job, but in honor of him, we call that Barber Rock. B-A-R-B-O-U-R. Pretty good deal. Dan's GoProing. Look at that. But here's a little photo opportunity if you'd like. They can hear everything that you say. Yep, grab right a hold of them. There you go, buddy. Not too loud. Not too bad, huh? Have you ever drove a horse?
No, that's right.
Have you ridden a horse? Yeah.
My answer.
This is the same way. See, these are the reins like you have when you're riding. Only this one goes to this horse here. See how it goes up? Yep. Well, we have two up there, only they come back to one line. See, there's one on both sides. Yep. And then that way you can control both of them. Not too bad, huh? Hey, listen.
Put one hand there and one hand there, like that.
Yep, you got to keep them separated. Put that one in that one. And put this one in this one. There you go. Now hang right on to them. Hang on, you're driving them horses. Guys, here's another one. Stop.
So when you drive the horses, if you want them to go left, you pull this line. If you want them to go right, you go this line.
Go ahead. We're not going to let you by. You're being all right. You ever been on a horse? No! You haven't gone right before?
A couple times. Yeah. So you have to hold one hand here.
Yep.
And one hand here.
There you go, just like that. Because you watch. Watch it.
And when you want them to go to the left, you pull this line here. See, they'll go that way. Then whoa, that's fine enough. So we're going the other way. We pull this line, we'll come back. Woo!
There you go. There you go, buddy. Now you're driving the horses. Not too bad, huh?
You want to know how you steer them?
Pay attention.
If you want to steer them, if you want to go this way, then you pull this line. Pull this one back.
See how they're coming to this way?
Way over here.
Now watch this.
We'll get over there. Okay, that's far enough, so we'll go back. We'll pull the other line. Then they come back over.
Ooh, just like driving a car.
That's like what you do in the back seat when you tell me to go right and left. Our car goes all over the place.
Big horses, too. I remember you tell them you were driving horses and pulling a wagon. Not too bad, huh? And guess what? They got pictures of it. He kicked himself. and he has a boo-boo down there, and I think he knocked the scab off.
It looks like
Yeah.
no, it looks like you dyed his hair red.
It looks like it.
Look at the size of
It
the
is
feet.
red. It's called blood.
I know, but it looks like you dyed.
Ooh, you're
He
hot.
had-
You're
he had
hot,
a
boy.
scab there, and I think he. Sometimes when they're
Ask
walking,
him how to do it, because you've never really
Just
touched a horse.
come here, honey. Come here, honey.
I've
Come right
touched
over.
Hot.
the horse before.
Just a minute. Let me pull it
Come on,
down.
turn around in front of him. Don't worry, Lucas, turn around so you can
Just reach right up here and touch his hand. There you go. You can touch it. You can touch it. It'll be all right.
I know, he's big.
We're out here in Tioga County looking for bear paw prints.
What's another blue jay, Daddy? See a bike.
Here, Scott. Or just the three of you.
It's a female. Bye.
Yep. Yo, that is a big train. We have bathrooms. Yep. Watch your step, it says. Because this goes back and forth.
I will watch
Here?
Yeah.
Can.
Wait, sit here. Sit across from us. Wait, sit.
Actually, there we were.
Yeah. Yep, there it is.
What?
There's the deck that we were at on the other side yesterday.
Yep.